mini episode is meant to accompany What is High School, Episode 2, Courses and Credits. We're going to look at your high school plan. Now that you understand the various courses that make up your high school experience, let's look specifically at a high school plan. You should use what you've learned from these videos to make decisions about your studies for the next 3 years. By planning ahead, you can make sure your studies meet requirements and serve your goals and interests. Make sure you choose core and options classes needed for your program. Remember that comm and physical education are not core courses, but are required for an Alberta high school diploma, so don't forget to add them to your list. Make sure you have the prerequisites you need, and make sure you consider what you need in order to apply for post-secondary studies and achieve your career goals. Here's a sample plan which can give you a sense of the courses required to get to an Alberta high school diploma. In grade 10, students should aim to take the 4 core classes: English, Social, Math, Science. They should also take their Phys Ed 10 requirement in grade 10. Students can then fill out the rest of their schedule with 3 options classes, which will give them a grand total of 40 credits by the end of grade 10. In grade 11, students should focus again on their 4 academic core classes and can also include their Career and Life Management class at this point. They can then also add up to 3 additional options. Students should aim to achieve at least 35 credits in grade 11. In grade 12, students should finish up their core classes, so take English at their 30 level, Social at their 30 level, and then 2 other 30 level courses, as well as up to 3 options. Students in grade 12 should aim to achieve 30 credits in their grade 12 year. In total, students need 100 credits to graduate with a high school diploma and 80 credits to graduate with a KNE Certificate of Completion. If you have any questions about anything you've heard in any of these videos, please just reach out to us. You can contact us on Instagram at East Glen High School. You can email us at eastglen@epsb.ca, or you can call us at 780-479-1991. We can't wait to help you on this next step to your high school journey, and we hope this series of short videos has helped you gain an understanding of how high school works. Next week, we'll look at next steps on your way to your high school adventures. Have a great day, everybody.